And of course, we'll have more details on that story as soon as they are available. Now, more light is being shed into the fatal shooting of a boy by the security forces on 100 Lane off Red Hills Road earlier this week. There have been conflicting stories of how the teen was killed. Jamaica Maitland has details.
When news broke of the fatal shooting of a teen on 100 Lane off Red Hills Road on Wednesday, there was heartbreak and outrage. First, from the family.
You know, kill me look a 14-year-old and he can't get away with it.
Then the public, and now Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
How could a 14-year-old be killed in a shootout by the police? And I was very sad about it.
TVJ News has learned that the teen isn't 14 years old as previously reported by his grandmother. Rasheem Wilson was 15, according to the police. It was substantiated by his May 7, 2008 birth certificate. And our police source says photos circulating of the teen showed that he was involved in criminal activities. Our news center received an image with the teen holding an assault rifle. Our police source has positively identified Rasheem as the person holding the weapon. The police say they were fired upon in the community on Wednesday, January 10, around 1:30 p.m. Rasheem was killed in the process. A 9mm Glock was recovered. We were told that the serial number was also erased, but according to residents, Rasheem was not involved.
Him and him start want to tell life on the little boy. You understand? Game him and play upon him phone, Marley's and play a game upon him phone.
The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, says the conflicting story of the fatal shooting is yet another reason for the security forces to be issued and use body-worn cameras. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, while speaking to students at the Manchester High School, described the incident as disturbing.
Where should we be teaching people how to treat with conflict? Where should we be talking about peace? And I love it, because I'm saying school, but Mr. Principal, your students are very smart. They're saying start in the home. Start in the homes.
TVJ News understands that Rasheem was a student at the Pembroke Hall High School in St. Andrew. However, we were unable to attain the status of his enrollment there. Our sources say he had not been attending school regularly. The school declined to comment on the issue at this time. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.